Importance of this National Films Archives of India's this exhibition?
Every year we participate in a big way in Iffi. Every year we put up an exhibition based on a certain theme. This year, being the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, we thought of putting this exhibition on this theme, the Mahatma on Celluloid. The idea is to kind of try and explore the movies, showcase the movies which have been made as a biopic, as well as the movies which have been made on his ideals and philosophy. So this is a very unique exhibition because it's a completely digital experience we have done in coordination with the Bureau of Outreach and Communication. The audience who is going to come here is going to get an experience of the entire life and times of Mahatma Gandhi. Another feature this year it is open to the general public as well. It is not only open for the delegates, but also general public can come and experience this exhibition.
For how many days it will be?
It will be till the last day of the
Okay. What's your full name, sir?
My name is Prakash Magdum, Director, National Film Archive.